डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पिछले क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था द क्वाड्रिलेटरल देन parts of quadrilateral, then the different types of quadrilateral, so quadrilateral, parts of quadrilateral and different types of quadrilateral. These three things were discussed in my previous class. I discussed in my previous class these three things. आज का क्लास में हम जानेंगे पिछले क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल दैट इज ट्रेपेजियम. पिछले क्लास में हमने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल दैट इज ट्रेपेजियम. बट आज का क्लास में हम जानेंगे द रेस्ट type of quadrilateral, those are kite and isoscale trapezium. Parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, स्क्वायर, ये चार टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल को पैरेललोग्राम, रम्बस, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर, ये चार टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल को हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक ही चैप्टर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. उस चैप्टर का नाम है पैरेललोग्राम. सो पैरेललोग्राम, रम्बस, रेक्टेंगल, स्क्वायर, ये चार टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल हम जानेंगे इसी चैप्टर में, पैरेललोग्राम चैप्टर में. बट in today's class we will discuss the second type of quadrilateral that is kite and the third type of quadrilateral that is isoscale trapezium. ये दोनों टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल को हम आज का क्लास में उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे, उसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज का क्लास में. ये दोनों टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल के बारे में, ये चार टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल को हम जानेंगे एक ही चैप्टर में. द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज पैरेललोग्राम. सो आज के क्लास में हम काइट एंड आइसोस्केल ट्रेपेजियम, ये दोनों टाइप का क्वाड्रिलेटरल के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. देन आइसोस्केल ट्रेपेजियम किसको कहते हैं? इट मीन्स व्हाट इज आइसोस्केल ट्रेपेजियम? ऑलरेडी पिछले क्लास में हम तुमको बता दिया ट्रेपेजियम के बारे में, हम बता दिया ट्रेपीजियम के बारे में, इसको ट्रेपीजियम बोलते हैं, इसको ट्रेपीजियम बोलते हैं। इट इज कॉल्ड ट्रेपीजियम। व्हाई? बिकॉज one pair, only one pair opposite sides is parallel in this figure. Only one pair opposite side, that is AD and BC. That is AD and BC. This is one pair opposite sides, and this pair is only parallel. It is the symbol of parallel. It is the symbol of parallel. So the quadrilateral in which one pair opposite side is parallel and the other pair opposite side is non-parallel. This pair is non-parallel. This pair is non-parallel. So such type of quadrilateral is called trapezium. Such type of quadrilateral is called trapezium. यहाँ पे एक पेयर अपोजिट साइड पैरेलल, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. But it is isoscale trapezium. It is only trapezium. It is isoscale trapezium. So what is isoscale trapezium? What is isoscale trapezium? The definition is that the trapezium in which the two non-parallel sides, the trapezium in which the two non-parallel sides are equal is called an isoscale trapezium. This is the definition of isoscale trapezium. Here it has been written that the trapezium, it means isoscale trapezium also indicates to a trapezium. Isoscale trapezium, it is also a trapezium. But in such type of trapezium, the two non-parallel sides, AB and DC, these two sides are not parallel. Why they are not parallel? Because the distance between them is not equal at everywhere. The distance between them is not equal at everywhere. चेक कर लो, यहाँ पे द डिस्टेंस जितने भी है, यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस थोड़ा ज्यादा है, यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस और ज्यादा है. It means the distance between these two sides is not equal at everywhere, and that is why these two sides are called non-parallel. So here it has been noted that the two non-parallel sides are equal. It means AB and DC are of equal length. If AB is equal to 5 cm, suppose AB is equal to 5 cm, then DC must be 5 cm. So such type of trapezium is called isoscale trapezium. So isoscale trapezium is a trapezium in which the two non-parallel sides are equal. So note down it. So it is the figure of isoscale trapezium. The only difference between the trapezium and the isoscale trapezium is that In isosceles trapezium, the two non-parallel sides are equal, whereas in a trapezium, the two non-parallel sides may be or may not be equal. We cannot say whether the two non-parallel sides are equal or not in a trapezium. But in an isosceles trapezium, we must say that the two non-parallel sides are equal. So note down it. Now we discuss about the next type of trapezium. Next type of quadrilateral, that is kite. That is kite. So it is a type of quadrilateral. It is a type of quadrilateral. So what is kite? किसको kite बोलेंगे? हम किसको काइट बोलेंगे? काइट किसको बोलेंगे? काइट इज ऑल्सो ए quadrilateral, a type of quadrilateral. Kite is also a type of quadrilateral in which there are two equal pair of adjacent sides. The quadrilateral in which the two equal pairs, in which there are the quadrilateral in which there are two equal pair of adjacent sides is called, there are two equal pairs of adjacent sides is called a kite. The quadrilateral in which look at here, it is a quadrilateral. First you say it quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, AB and AD are the two adjacent sides. AB and AD. एडजेसेंट साइड किसको बोलेंगे? पिछले क्लास में हम आपको बता दिया था, अगर टू साइड का एक कॉमन एंड पॉइंट होगा, if two sides have a common endpoint, then those two sides are said to be adjacent. It is the definition of adjacent. So here we see that AB and AD, these two sides have a common endpoint, that is A. Therefore, these two sides are adjacent. Similarly, if you check BC and CD, these two sides, they are also adjacent. Why? Because BC and CD, these two sides have also a common endpoint, that is C. Therefore, BC and CD are also adjacent. So, in this quadrilateral, we see that AB and AD AB and AD, it is one pair adjacent sides, AP and AD, and BC and CD, it is another pair of adjacent sides. These two pairs of adjacent sides are equal here, are equal here, are equal here, are equal here, are equal here. So we see that in this quadrilateral AB and AD are equal, BC and CD are equal. Here it has been noted that two equal pairs of adjacent sides, two equal pairs of adjacent sides. It is one pair, one equal pair of adjacent sides, one equal pair of adjacent sides. It is AB and AD, AB and AD, AB and AD. It is one pair equal adjacent sides. And BC, CD, BC and CD, it is the second equal pair of adjacent sides. So we see that there are two equal pairs of adjacent sides. This pair and this pair. This pair and this pair. So two equal pair of adjacent sides are here. So such type of quadrilateral is called kite. Such type of quadrilateral is called kite. So finally we knew that the quadrilateral in which there are two equal pairs of adjacent sides. It is one pair adjacent side, it is also equal. It is the second pair of adjacent side, it is also equal. So there are two equal pairs of adjacent sides. So such type of quadrilateral is called kite, and it is the figure of kite. So note down. Note down. Dear students, we have already discussed the three types of quadrilateral, that is trapezium, number one trapezium, number two isoscale trapezium, isoscale trapezium, and number three kite. Already we have discussed about these three types of quadrilateral. Already we have discussed. Now you have to know one thing that is very, very important fact, that is very, very important about the quadrilateral. What is that? Angelsum property of a quadrilateral, This is the important fact. You have to know the Angelsum property of a quadrilateral, that is very, very important, and on which the entire exercise is based upon. ये जो Angelsum property है ना, इसी के ऊपर the entire exercise depend करेगा. The entire exercise, when you will do the exercise, you will use this property of the quadrilateral, that is Angelsum property. Then what does this property tell us? It means the Angelsum property tells us what? Suppose it is a quadrilateral. Its name is ABCD. Suppose. The Angelsum property tells us that if you add all the four angles that is angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. If you add all the angles, if you add all the angles, all the four angles of a quadrilateral, then you see that the sum will be 360 degree. The sum will be 360 degree. So what does angle sum property tells us? Tell us, if we add all the four angles of a quadrilateral, any type of quadrilateral, if you add all the four angles, then you get 360 degree as the sum. You get 360 degree as the sum. So the angle sum property is that the sum of, it is the angle sum property, it is the angle sum property. You have to keep it in your mind. You have to keep it in your mind to do the exercise. To do the exercise, the sum of all the four angles, the sum of all the four angles in any type of quadrilateral, in any type of quadrilateral, is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. This is angle sum property. You have to remember in your mind. You have to remember this thing in your mind. So note down it. Note down. So students, then we have already discussed the quadrilateral. We have already discussed the quadrilateral, the definition of quadrilateral, parts of quadrilateral, different types of quadrilateral, but only trapezium. Number 1, number 2, isoscale trapezium. Number 3, kite. So ये 3 प्रकार का क्वाड्रिलेटरल का डिस्कस ऑलरेडी हम डिस्कस किया. And one extra thing, that is angle sum property. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. So already the quadrilateral chapter has been completed. Already the chapter is completed, and in my next class I will do the exercise. I will discuss on the exercise that is given at the last of the chapter. So आज के लिए इतना ही है. So in my next class I will discuss about the exercise.